Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can put the Google Pixel 9 and Google Pixel 9 Pro on silent mode. It is a bit hidden and you will find it here at the volume area. Any of you press the volume down button or the volume up button, you are here to reduce the volume or make it louder. No? And here on top you will have the speaker symbol, and this speaker symbol is pretty important. Let us go again to the volume mode here and tap on the speaker, and then you can choose if you want to mute the phone or if you just want to put it on vibration. One more time. Let me tap here on the speaker and I can choose vibration with the first symbol, no? Or I can also choose here with the crossed speaker the silent mode. So pretty nice. And there's another nice way to mute your phone automatically, but just put it on a flat surface like a table or a bed and so on. Pretty nice. But don't wonder, you have to enable this feature first. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have always here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point system, and you will find the point gestures. And at the end of the list, you will find the point flip to shh. And this one needs to be turned on, like in my case. This enables the do not disturb mode. That means if you put the phone on a flat surface, you feel a little vibration. And if you pick it up later again, you have this little vibration to know, okay, it's turned off again. Pretty nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.